Okay, so let me share you this. Okay, that's what you want here. Can you see this? Can you see on the board? It disappeared again.
Hello?
There's a problem with your internet. It's breaking and then you come back, it disappears and come back.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. All right. So this is what you want us to look at, yeah?
I can't see. Is it on? Where's the board?
You can't see on the board. I've actually shared with you on the board.
Let me check.
Should be able to see the board.
Yeah, I can see it.
You can see it, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So this is what you wanted us to look at.
Right? Yes, please. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Right. Okay. So we need to start from GCSE and then we go into A levels, but it's not different at all. Once you master this bit, then it's easier for you to move on to A levels. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now remember that the completion of square is one of the methods of solving quadratic equations. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So this first paper was actually taken from GCSE. Okay, that's where it is coming from, and then from there we're going to look at the A levels. You will see that obviously they are not a big difference at all. Right. Okay. So what you need to do, okay, you need to find half of the coefficient of x. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So you can see here. What they want you to do is to find A and find B. Okay.
Yeah.
In a sense, they say to complete the square, so it should be in this form. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So therefore, half of coefficient of x is going to be 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is going to be x plus 4, positive 4, and then this is squared. Okay. Now you have added 4 squared. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to take away this. So
minus 16.
Yeah, so we need to have minus 4 squared minus 7.
Yeah.
7 is what was already there. So if we do that, then we're going to have x plus 4 brackets squared. Then you need to show that this is minus 16 minus 7. Now, remember, maths is step by step. If you lose this, you miss steps, you lose the marks. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to be x plus 4 brackets squared. Then 16 plus 7, because they are both negative, will be minus 23, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, 23. Okay, so then you have written this into that form. So then you can see that A is going to be 4, and B is going to be minus 23. Do you follow?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay, so then the next it says, okay, solve. Okay, so solve this. You can see this is exactly the same as that.
Yeah.
So we just need to take this one. So what we have is x to 4 squared minus 23 equals 0. Okay.
Yeah.
So therefore we need to add the 23 to both sides. So if we do that, we're going to have x plus 4 squared equals 23.
Yeah.
And then we need to take a square root. Now you need to show that. Okay. Yeah, we need to show that you have taken a square root of that. So if we square root this, we're going to have x plus 4. If we square root that, we're going to have plus minus square root of 23.
Yep.
And then we need to subtract 4 from both sides to find x. So x is going to be plus minus square root of 23 minus 4. So then you work out this, you should be able to find the values that they have asked you to find. Do you follow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do number 2.